Welcome back to the HeRO Whiteboard. I'm Will King. Today we're going to wrap up the series with the case for HeRO monitoring. We'll start today by taking a look at some of the concerns that we've heard from potential customers as we've had conversations with clinical staff from NICUs around the world. First, we've heard that our hospital doesn't have small babies or infections. Our response is this: do you prescribe antibiotics? If so, HeRO can help you discriminate between those who need antibiotics and those who don't. It's not a perfect test, I wish it were, but it's a tool to help you make better decisions, which has been proven to lead to better antibiotic targeting and improved mortality for your patients. Next, we've heard that HeRO is expensive. Well, nothing could be further from the truth. HeRO costs about $1,000 to save one quality-adjusted year of life. Usually anything less than $100,000 per quality is accepted. HeRO, proven to save lives, is far less expensive than the monitor to which it is connected. How much are you spending on NIRS, a technology that has failed time and again to improve any outcomes? Remember that HeRO allows for earlier diagnoses and more effective treatments. So when researchers analyzed total cost of care for patients randomized to HeRO display, they found that HeRO monitoring more than paid for itself by actually reducing the total cost of care. In hospitals where we learn that IT is overburdened and becomes an impediment, we offer HeRO Solo and Duet that require no IT involvement. Simply unpack the monitors, perform simple assembly, and plug them in. For units that prefer to have HeRO in the physiological monitor, we offer integration with Philips MX monitors with the IPC option. We've been asked by some hospitals whether HeRO monitoring creates more work for nurses and staff. HeRO Symphony can be fully automated with heart rate and patient ADT data automatically sent to HeRO by the physiological monitors, and the HeRO scores can be automatically populated into the EMR through our HL7 interfaces. Some neonatologists have asked if HeRO monitoring creates a liability or concern from parents. In our history, we've never heard of such an instance. In fact, we find parents are comforted by the presence of HeRO monitoring and the idea that their hospital is offering the latest and best care for their baby. Others have asked whether sensitivity and specificity are adequate and whether it will lead to more testing and antibiotics. While it may be easy to examine HeRO through the antiquated lens of these metrics, understand that sensitivity and specificity do not assess the forward-looking prediction provided by an early warning system. While we did a full episode on the predictive accuracy of HeRO, remember this point. Metrics of model performance only give us an estimate of the impact on clinical care when we don't have outcomes data. But we conducted the randomized control trial and we know the impact of HeRO monitoring on premature babies. Reduced mortality, reduced length of stay, reduced cost, improved antibiotic targeting, reduced death or cerebral palsy, and more days alive and without unnecessary testing. So to review the published clinical evidence, HeRO predicts infection including sepsis, UTI, and NEC, allowing for improved antibiotic targeting. HeRO can assess respiratory decompensation, including need for intubation and readiness for extubation. HeRO can assess neurotrauma, improve mortality and neurodevelopmental outcome, shorten length of stay, and reduce cost. In summary, if you've ever bemoaned the lack of evidence-based medicine in neonatology, if your value analysis committee ever asked for a cost-benefit study, if you've ever agonized about starting or stopping antibiotics or when to intubate and when to extubate, if your NICU tells parents that it offers the best care, if you ever had to look a grieving parent in the eye and tell them we did everything we could, or if you're not satisfied that the status quo where 5% VLBW mortality is good enough, then give us a call. The time for HeRO is now.